hope you are well. So this is January 11th, 2022, and I'll be analyzing another battery-related stock, Evolution Energy Minerals, which the FX code is EV1. This company holds 100% interest into a project, Graphite project in Africa. I'm going to be sharing with you whether I believe this could be a good investment, whether we would or not put our money in this stock, and what are the risks and potential upside for this company. So let's have a look. Just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice, it's just us from BG Trading sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up target, stop losses, how we avoid FOMO, and much more, all in this channel for you. So if you like the way we trade, like our videos, please subscribe to the channel now. And most important, share this video with someone that you believe would be helping or interested on this particular topic. We also have a Facebook community called Buy Growth Sell Strategy for Share Traders. This community, I normally share a lot of our stock analysis, like this one. I'm going to be putting the link right in the community. So if you're not a member of this free community, please become a member, and then you have access to all our exclusive content just for our exclusive members. So then let's jump straight into the stock, understand a little bit what Evolution Energy Minerals is about. So it is a graphite explorer in Africa, focusing to develop its flagship project in Tanzania, right? So I'm going to open my analysis here. This is my latest analysis. So obviously what I'll do is just go to stock analysis and choose exactly the stock that I want to analyze. This is our VIP member area, but then I'll share this particular analysis with you guys. So Evolution Minerals Graphite explored in Africa, focusing on developing its flagship project called Chilado Project. It's based in southeast Tanzania. Got a little bit the map of the project, so you have a little bit idea what it is. Just north of Mozambique. So a lot of green ticks on this project. However, there's a lot of red flags, and that's why I wanted to you to understand the difference between investing into a mature, solid company that it is about not just developing the project, but also start commercializing with offtake agreements in place, opposed to companies like this that is just starting, just coming to the market and is actually trying to take advantage of the hype of the market in the sector. So here you go. So if you don't know what graphite is a critical compound element for a node, which is part of the battery. So obviously now with electric vehicle revolution, there will be a lot of demand for battery. If you see in our previous videos, we've been already trading graphite stocks, not this particular one, and a lot of lithium stock as well. Now there are three different types of graphite. I will let you explore yourself after I share the link with you. So I'm not going to go through these, but I'm going to talk about the Chilo project a little bit. Now, the project, Chilalo project, is a high-grade coarse flake graphite project with excellent product quality. So says the company. So compared to other forms of a graphite, this one has high purity, which is great for battery, great for processing as well. Now, the Chilado project is fully, at the moment, is fully permitted. So this is permission to exploit. And then obviously the company really aiming to take this project into production, like develop the whole plant and take it into production. The company didn't say a lead time, but according to our analysis in different companies, our experience following year by year, month by month, different other players that is now producing or about producing. So I would say these guys will be looking to start commercializing not early than 2025, which is quite a lot of time. And that brings us to our first red flag, the lead time. When you have a company, let's say, for instance, if you invest in a company that now is just exploring, there's a lead time, not to mention a lot of different variables that could go wrong, but the time frame, it's way too long, despite the fact that we have demand for battery or, during this decade. We don't know how many players in the market will be coming over the next 2 3 years until these guys start commercializing the graphite. And then now there's the graphite prices, it is definitely rising. We could have by 2025, for example, assuming they will get everything right and start producing, commercializing by 2025, 2026, could be a much more balanced market by then, because we're talking about 1 2 3 3 to 4 years now. So this is one of the red flag. The lead time is way too long for us. So in order to invest, to trade, well, okay, but we still like trading stocks that give us a shorter term time frame upside, and this is not the case, right? Now another thing is the Chilalo project. Since it's located in Tanzania, it is subject to a risk associated with operating in the foreigner countries. Look, I'm not fan of investing companies that have projects in Africa. We did go hit in the stocks in the past because they either couldn't renew the license, or like Resolution Miners is one of the examples. They had a mine chat last year. So then obviously stock dropped about 20 to 30% right quickly. So we don't want that happens. So the whole idea, if you're going to speculate, speculate in a company that gives a much more, at least this geographic, better sort of a geographic input. Perhaps a company that has its project in Europe or in US rather than Africa. Even in South America is not too bad, but Africa is it just tends not to be my favorite gig on that. So we would rather investing into stocks that are not based in Africa, to be honest. Also, there's no assurance that the company can achieve any commercial viability through the success of exploration on the development of the project. It's still a very early stage. So really going to be speculating in a sense that becomes almost a gambling, if that makes sense, right? So rather than there's far better opportunities out there in the market. So companies that are more mature has projects that involve less geographic risks, and this is the key thing for me. Like now, the question is, why would invest your capital in a company that relies in Tanzania mining regulations? You know what I mean? Another thing is tenure, assets and grants applications. So in a corrupt country like countries in Africa, even South America, mining and exploration tenements become sort of political issue, and then obviously you really need to sometimes bribe people and gets a little bit out of control, if I may. And there's no guarantees that the current or the future tendency for the location will be keeping be approved. So is the license to develop its project as well. And also, lastly, my last red flag is the lack of diversification with only one project. Really, only one project. So obviously, I did the technical analysis as well. From the technical perspective, it's very hard to analyze a stock that has just been listed in the market as well. As you can see, there's no much history for this stock, so then obviously it's following the same trend of EV stocks. But then, as you can see, when the IPO came up right in November, the stock rose a lot, like triple its value right quickly, and then in the following month, it just kept falling and falling. At the moment, it is in downtrend. And again, for me, it lacks in a lot of aspects to speculate or to invest or even to trade this stock at this stage. So I wouldn't touch in Evolution Energy Minerals. The only reason I'm doing this analysis is because there was a lot of interest in the market, and a lot of our members asked for us to analyze. But here's my thoughts. So hopefully you guys enjoy. There are a lot more better quality stocks out there. Our VIP members know already because they are already trading there. We've been trading different graphite stocks, but at this stage we won't be even thinking about touching to Evolution Energy Minerals. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS 20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.